to Noelle's kitchen. I'm Noelle, and today I'm going to tell you how to make gummy donuts. I already started some, and I found that a little more water than the instructions say is better. Let's start with the chocolate ones. Let's get some water. And I found this is the easiest to pour it out. And the first time I did a little too fast, so it was like spreaded. Put one hole, and then I'm gonna do another one, a little bit like, fill it up to the line. I'm gonna just put a little bit more, like that much, because it not all the sugar got into it. Now I'm gonna use this, get my brown pack, gonna cut it, gonna put it in here, and then I'm gonna use my little pink spoon. I'm gonna mix it up real quick. It smells actually like a real donut. Well, the chocolate ones do. This one smells more like a sugar cookie. And I'm gonna dump it out just because there's a lot of stuff on the back. Now we're gonna get it all together with your hands. I'm just gonna make a big ball. Then I'm gonna knead it like dough. So I'm gonna take my little donuts I made earlier. And here they are. Here's a circle. And here's a little flower one. I call it a flower one. So we're gonna put this basically even as you can get. Put it in your little container. Put a little hole. You see, you just gotta do this. And for the flower one, it's quite a bit harder. We'll just do this kind of, squish it. Do this, kind of like this. Then let's just put that to the side. Now we're gonna make the vanilla sauce. Let's go cut it. And it says to put it in the heart one. I don't know if you can see the little heart. And let's put it in the heart. I messed up. Then you got this thing. Don't trash it because I was gonna trash it because I thought we wouldn't need it. Fill it up. And now it says to put it in here. And it says mix really good. It's kind of tiny, so it's kind of hard. I think that's enough. Should look like that, I think. Now I think I'm gonna spread it on my little donut. I do not know actually how to do it, but I'm just gonna go best as I can get. Just get my finger. Oh my goodness. This is the hardest thing in the world if you have messy hands. My thing did not turn out that good on the bottom, it didn't. The strawberry frosting. same as the vanilla, I think, unless there's any vanilla. So now we're gonna get it's the exact same. Okay, so now we're gonna put the exact same, put it in the, now get our spoon, and don't mix it up. Okay, let's get our little cup and there. It's our little donut right there. I think it's easier if you get on the other side. Well, that's probably the best I can ever get. There we go. That's enough. Now we're gonna make the chocolate pen. Put it in our little music section. Oh, it doesn't even look black. It looks brown. That's me. Now we're gonna get our little triangle. Put it in there like per usual. Okay, now where's my little spoon? And now we're gonna mix it. Mix it. Oh my goodness, wait. I'm just gonna put a little bit more because I did a little wrong because you kind of need it in a little circle. So yeah. And if I need more water, it's fine. I'll get that. Oh no, I'm gonna have extra water. But at least you always need extra water. It looks brown, black, brown, I don't know. It smells good. It's like I'm putting salt into chocolate, watery chocolate. We're gonna have this little bag it comes with. I'm not good at this. This is so hard. Gonna put this big cluster in there. Okay, I think that's enough. I don't know. I feel like I did it too big. Now I'm gonna get my little donut. This is not gonna look good. I'm telling you that. I'm just telling you that. It's not even squeezy now. Don't tell me I got it down the wrong. It's not even squeezy now. It don't look good. This will be extra chocolatey. Okay. It's really hard. And now I'm gonna get my other donut. Okay, this one looks better. There we go. There's our one, and we finished. Now we're gonna get the sprinkles and crumbs. Okay, this is the crumbs and this is the sprinkles. I'm just gonna actually do this because I feel like that would be easier. Now I'm gonna get the crumbs out. Why the crumbs? I do not know what cover it is. I really hope it's, Oh, okay. I really thought it was gonna be like dust. You're gonna get some of this. Is gonna just spread around. Try at least. Now I'm gonna get some of these crumbs they call. Does kind of look like crumbs. I'm gonna try this one. It's hard. I literally can't almost taste anything on the top. It's a lot. So it's good. It's just kind of like, it's just like its own little person. Now I'm going to surprise my brothers with some donuts. Okay. So small. Okay. Good. Yeah. Tastes like a gummy. A chocolate gummy. Yeah. With sparkles. Sprinkles, I mean. Yeah. Thank you, Noelle. Thank you, Noelle. It was delicious. Well, I really like it. It was fun. It was probably like medium, but some parts were a little hard. And I rate it probably a 10 out of 10. I would do this one again. It's really fun. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. God bless. Bye. I'm not gonna take it off. It smells really good. Now we're gonna make the strawberry ice cream. Now we're gonna make the strawberry ice cream. Strawberry? These are. I do not know how to put this on. Well, it doesn't actually really, like I actually kind of wanted it to, I thought, I didn't, can I look it? So much frosting is gonna be farted. It smells like coffee in my nose. Now,